Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing the AWE Touring exhaust with the PLPs, which is basically they call it the performance link pipes, which is just the secondary cat deletes. Secondary cat deletes are unmonitored, so you don't throw a cell or anything like that. So I'm going to go and compare some decibel levels of the stock exhaust, and then we'll do it later once this is on. So that's what we're doing for today. Alright, so here's the decibel reader. It's going to be really small. Let's go for it. Not too bad. So we're looking at 88 max, it says right here. Stock exhaust, stock everything.
I went to like
3,500, okay, 3,500 RPMs, 88. We'll do the same for the next one, just to get an idea. So I think it lets you go to 4 before it cuts off when you're in park mode.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it only lets you go to 4. So I mean, that's pretty close. I mean, we'll just do the same 35 for the next one. Okay, race ramps are up. I'm going to start with unplugging the back at the tips where the valves are at. And then pretty much just go all the way. I heard this was difficult to get off, but I don't know, looks pretty simple, straightforward, so hopefully this comes off pretty easy. Going to WD-40 some bolts now.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Okay, so here's the exhaust tips and this hanger here. We're not able to push the exhaust that way from the front end because this is hitting that. Obviously, we knew that was a possibility. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off these 2 bolts. There's one right there because that's the bracket that holds it. We're going to take that off, slide it out, and we should be able to push the exhaust towards the rear. Let's go from there. Okay, so we got those bolts off. So I'm just trying to slide this forward, and then this thing gets a little stuck here. Alright, a little effort. Well, we're gonna pull these off somehow, but that's the trick. There it is, all one piece. Alright, time to get this out of there and install the new one. Okay, so just for fun, we didn't install the mufflers yet, and we're gonna start it. I guess this is kind of what track edition would be like, but... Oh my god, that sounds so... Holy shit, it sounds so good! Holy cow, my ear! Do it again. Holy cow. Okay guys, so that's gonna conclude this video. It's installed. I'm gonna have a review on it. I just bought a new mic to put by the exhaust and probably do a little drive around review or something with it so you can get more effect of the sounds. Oh my god, that thing's loud. It sounds really good. Stay tuned for the next video.